Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust brightness levels on your BlackWidow V3 Mini RAZER keyboard. So as you can see, now we are in the RAZER Synapse application, and here we have to open this device. Now we have to tap lightning, and here we have the brightness. We can increase the brightness of our keyboard. Let me disable my lights and for example move my keyboard hammer to this position, or we can lower the brightness down to 0. As you can see, it works like a butter. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.